Sorry guys. We're gonna be reviewing some fidgets. Okay, this one is a cool one. I actually took this from my brother It's fun. I'm gonna rate this 95. That's pretty good. Now, ooh, let's get this. Pop it out. This is the quiet side, I think. This is the quiet side. I'm gonna give this 100 because it's an amazing fidget. Now this one, ooh, I love this one. I'm gonna give that 95 too. Yeah, also a 95. Actually, no, a 98. A 98. My last fidget is this. I'm gonna give that 90. Want to give it a 90. Well, hope you've had fun today. Bye!